約伯記第9章。
Job chapter 9.
約伯回答說：
Then Job answered and said,
我真知道是這樣，但人在神面前怎能成為義呢？
Truly I know it is so, but how can a man be righteous before God?
若願意與他爭辯，千中之一也不能回答。
If one wished to contend with him, he could not answer him 1 time out of 1,000.
他心裏有智慧，且大有能力，誰向神剛硬而得亨通呢？
God is wise in heart and mighty in strength. Who has hardened himself against him and prospered?
他發怒，把山翻倒挪移，山並不知覺。
He removes the mountains, and they do not know when he overturns them in his anger.
他使地震動，離其本位，地的柱子就搖撼。
He shakes the earth out of its place, and its pillars tremble.
他吩咐日頭不出來，就不出來，又封閉眾星。
He commands the sun, and it does not rise. He seals up the stars.
他獨自鋪張蒼天，步行在海浪之上。
He alone spreads out the heavens, and treads on the waves of the sea.
他造北斗、參星、昴星，並南方的密宮。
He made the Bear, Orion, and the Pleiades, and the chambers of the south.
他行大事，不可測度；行奇事，不可勝數。
He does great things past finding out. Yes, wonders without number.
他從我旁邊經過，我卻不看見；他在我面前行走，我倒不知覺。
If he goes by me, I do not see him. If he moves past, I do not perceive him.
他奪取，誰能阻擋？誰敢問他，你做什麼？
If he takes away, who can hinder him? Who can say to him, What are you doing?
神必不收回他的怒氣，扶助拉哈伯的，屈身在他以下。
God will not withdraw his anger. The allies of the proud lie prostrate beneath him.
既是這樣，我怎敢回答他？怎敢選擇言語與他辯論呢？
How then can I answer him, and choose my words to reason with him?
我雖有義，也不回答他，只要向那審判我的懇求。
For though I were righteous, I could not answer him. I would beg mercy of my judge.
我若呼籲，他應允我，我仍不信他真聽我的聲音。
If I called and he answered me, I would not believe that he was listening to my voice.
他用暴風折斷我，無故地加增我的損傷。
For he crushes me with a tempest, and multiplies my wounds without cause.
我就是喘一口氣，他都不容，倒使我滿心苦惱。
He will not allow me to catch my breath, but fills me with bitterness.
若論力量，他真有能力；若論審判，他說誰能將我傳來呢？
If it is a matter of strength, indeed he is strong. And if of justice, who will appoint my day in court?
我雖有義，自己的口要定我為有罪；我雖完全，我口必顯我為彎曲。
Though I were righteous, my own mouth would condemn me. Though I were blameless, it would prove me perverse.
我本完全，不顧自己，我厭惡我的性命。
I am blameless, yet I do not know myself. I despise my life.
善惡無分，都是一樣。所以我說，完全人和惡人，他都滅絕。
It is all one thing. Therefore I say, he destroys the blameless and the wicked.
若忽然遭殺害之禍，他必戲笑無辜的人遇難。
If the scourge lays suddenly, he laughs at the plight of the innocent.
世界交在惡人手中，蒙蔽世界審判官的臉。若不是他，是誰呢？
The earth is given into the hand of the wicked. He covers the faces of its judges. If it is not he, who else could it be?
我的日子比跑順的更快，急速過去，不見福樂。
Now my days are swifter than a runner. They flee away, they see no good.
我的日子過去如快船，如急落找食的鷹。
They pass by like swift ships, like an eagle swooping on its prey.
我若說我要忘記我的哀情，除去我的愁容，心中暢快。
If I say, I will forget my complaint, I will put up my sad face and wear a smile.
我因受苦而懼怕，知道你必不以我為無辜。
I'm afraid of all my sufferings. I know that you will not hold me innocent.
我必被你定為有罪，我何必徒然勞苦呢？
If I am condemned, why then do I labor in vain?
我若用雪水洗身，用鹼潔淨我的手，
If I wash myself with snow water and cleanse my hands with soap,
你還要扔我在坑裏，我的衣服都憎惡我。
yet you will plunge me into the pit, and my own clothes will abhor me.
他本不像我是人，使我可以回答他，又使我們可以同聽審判。
For he is not a man as I am, that I may answer him, and that we should go to court together.
我們中間沒有聽訟的人可以向我們兩造按手，
Nor is there any mediator between us, who may lay his hand on us both.
願他把杖離開我，不使驚惶威嚇我。
Let him take his rod away from me, and do not let dread of him terrify me.
我就說話，也不懼怕他。現在我卻不是那樣。
Then I would speak and not fear him, for it is not so with me.